Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing one of the most iconic budget-friendly cars in India, the Maruti Suzuki Alto. Known for its compact size, fuel efficiency, and affordability, the Alto has been a top choice for first-time car buyers and city commuters. Let's dive into what makes it special. The Maruti Suzuki Alto has a simple yet practical design. Its compact dimensions make it perfect for navigating narrow city streets and squeezing into tight parking spots. The latest model features a sleek front grille, stylish headlamps, and a modern, aerodynamic shape that enhances its appeal. Under the hood, the Alto comes with a 0.8L petrol engine, delivering excellent fuel efficiency and a smooth driving experience. It is available with both a 5-speed manual and an AMT automatic gearbox, making it an easy and comfortable choice for urban driving. The CNG variant is also available for those who want even better mileage and lower running costs. Step inside, and the Alto's cabin is simple yet functional. The dashboard is designed for easy access to controls, and the seats offer decent comfort for short trips. Depending on the variant, you get features like a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, power windows, and keyless entry, making it a well-equipped entry-level car. On the safety front, the Maruti Suzuki Alto includes dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-strength chassis for improved protection. While it may not have the advanced safety tech of higher-end cars, it covers the essentials for a safe driving experience. On the road, the Alto is incredibly easy to drive. Its light steering, compact size, and efficient engine make city commuting effortless. Plus, its high fuel efficiency of around 22 to 24 km/h, depending on the variant, ensures that you save money on fuel while enjoying a smooth ride. The Maruti Suzuki Alto is an ideal car for those looking for affordability, reliability, and fuel efficiency. It's perfect for first-time buyers, city commuters, and budget-conscious drivers who want a simple yet dependable car. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Maruti Suzuki Alto or which car you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.